Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the supply and demand zones indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the supply and demands zone indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 535 indicators, with 228 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos, see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the supply and demand zones indicator. And you can see it here on screen. Now we might end up testing this one in a few different ways. We'll see as we go forward. So this is the standard way that this indicator looks. Now there's a lot going on with this, and the creator basically said that the entry and the buy and sell signal of this indicator is a price action break. A price action break, I'm assuming, of one or part of the zones. And so to start off with this, let's go in and we'll turn everything off but the purple lines, the purple supply and demand lines, the purple plot lines right there. And so this gives us the support and resistance areas, or the supply and demand areas, kind of on a little bit of a lower scale versus, say, the blue ones that are on a little bit larger scale. And then there are, it's hard to see, but there's a green and red line, and basically those are two moving averages that are set to kind of run above and below price action, creating almost like a little channel effect. It's quite interesting when it does that. Nonetheless, so back to how we are going to test this. So the setup on this is just like the creator says. We are looking for a price action break of the zone. So when price action breaks to the upside of the zone above the purple line, then we are going to go long. When we get a price action break below the zone, below the purple line, then we are going to go short. So like I said, relatively simple. That's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. We see that the candle breaks out to the upside there. Took a little bit for it to hit our take profit. We had a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of consolidation. Then it finally spiked up, back up above that purple line again. That's when it actually hits our take profit. And so let me actually change that one right there. So we hit our take profit on this candle, I believe right here is the one we hit take profit on. And then so you see that price comes back into that zone and then spikes back up above that line one more time. Let's check this one to see. Yeah, we stayed within our stop on this one as well, as price action works its way back to the upside there and it gets us to take profit on that one. Then we get a push to the downside right here. We get the break and the price kind of rides sideways here for a while and then eventually is able to succumb to the pressure to the downside there and get us to take profit right there on that candle, which will then allow us to then enter in again right here on this candle, and that one's also going to push down, getting us to our take profit. So all right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. There to there. All right, so a really decent number of trades in the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out, see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have 27 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 winning trades. And so that will put us over that 60% marker that we're looking for all in all. this was a really decent indicator. 27 trades and did so rather accurately. Allowed you to identify kind of support and resistance areas. Gave a nice double lined kind of buffer zone to play in. And yeah, really decent. Can't complain about this one much at all. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.